Hey, how you doing, insurance? This is Juro Garcia. I'm here with Pine Cove Roofing. Today we're going to be conducting a BTO test at the address 765 Linnwood CT, Smyrna, Georgia. Today we have here a slab of shingle that has been affected by wind damage. As you can see, it has wind damage and wind creases here, and the rest are also damaged as well. So I will be trying to replace this shingle right here to see if the roof is repairable or not. So for me to conduct this repair, I have to take out the first line of nails and the second line of nails. Now, I have to be able to lift up the shingle in order for me to tell which nail it is. I can't just guess and say, okay, this is where the nail is. So this is where I will start. So I will start with this one right here. I have to lift this up. I have a nail right here. That one's already a little loose. Now I have to look under this one too. Now, it's very important to be very careful when conducting these repairs. You don't want to cause any more damage than what there already is. So, seems the first line of nails is complete. Now I have to take out the second line of nails. Okay, so I have now, seems like I got one more nail to do. As you can see, you can hear almost that sealant coming off already. It's a sign that the roof is having more damage than normal. Now we'll take out the slab. It should come off pretty easy. Thought I removed all nails. There it is. Okay. So this one should come out pretty easy. Okay. So this is the one that we have. I'd like to flip it over, show you something. As you can tell, we had this, nail holes here, and here as well, here as well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6 total nails, 7. As you can see, now we do have something that I'd like to point out here. We have a sealant that's originally on this right here. As you can see, has come off with the shingle that I have now replaced. Now this is a factor of a loss that's not rigidly intended to plan when you're conducting these type of repairs. Why? Because you have a loss of an original sealant. So it doesn't matter if I go ahead and put another one. If that loss of the original sealant has occurred, more than likely that's a sign that the roof is not repairable due to the fact that it's already losing more damage than what it needs to be. So I have the other shingle right here. This is the one that we're going to be go ahead and putting on. Now I got to measure it first, make sure everything same measurements, everything. So we have around 35 3/4, something like that. All right, same thing. Length, we got about 12, and we got about 12. All right, so they're the same shingle. Now I have to install it now. Now it has a heavy loss of granule as well, something that I'd like to point out. Make sure everything aligns well. Make sure everything's done correctly. Okay. Now I will install the nails. I will be using my hammer and the snake bar again for this right here. Very carefully. Okay. Second nail. And very carefully conducting these repairs is priority number 1, as the roof is already damaged. I don't want to cause any more damage than what there already is. Okay. So we're gonna install basically the same amount of nails that it had, so everything aligns well. So we're gonna do right here. Okay. Now, as you can see from the lifting that I had to do for me to complete this repair, we already have a line forming here. Which is an indicator that we have wind creases already starting to form up due to the repair that I'm completing. Okay, so now I'll just reinstall the last line of nails to complete this repair video. Now, very carefully placing them where they were. Okay, I'm being very careful with this. Okay, no damage has occurred. Okay, so seems I only need one more nail to finish this repair, and then we should be done. So I've now completed the repair. I installed the first line of nails and the second line of nails. As you can see, we have damage right here, some damage right there, damage right here as well. And then this one's starting to crease as well. As you can see right here, you can notice some creases and then a little bend on that. So if you could get the camera up close, please. Now, as you can tell, damage here, damage here, damage here, damage here. Originally, when we started recording this video, you could see that this was totally normal, totally fine. You know, really didn't have any damage to it. As I try to complete the video and I try to complete this repair, more damage starts to occur for the same reason that this BTO test equals fail. Did not pass the repairability test. Same thing with the original sealant that I explained earlier on in the video. As you can see, once I started replacing this shingle right here, it takes on some sealant that originally was on the one on the bottom. So ultimately, this roof is not repairable because of a lot of factors that play in. Now, we have damaged shingles in about almost all the roof. I want to say it's probably more than about 150 shingles, something like that, that are damaged, maybe around that category. Um, Other than that, this concludes our video for the 765 Linnwood Smyrna Drive house equals fail. Roof is not repairable, and I hope you can take care of this homeowner. Thank you.